Whiplash Industries has developed a revolutionary new product that is dyno proven to significantly increase the power of your electronic fuel-injected Sportster and twin cam 88 cubic inch Harley-Davidson motorcycle. The Whip from Whiplash Industries not only increases power levels by 17%, it outflows anything on the market to date, thereby dramatically improving volumetric efficiency to optimum levels of a naturally aspirated engine. The basic fundamentals of a 4-stroke EFI gas engine will be helpful to your understanding of how this product lets you obtain this increase in power and efficiency from your EFI engine. As the piston travels up and down the cylinder, this lateral motion is transferred by a rotating motion at the crankshaft. The longer the stroke of the piston, the larger the displacement of air and gas required to fill the cylinder. To propel the piston, we need to ignite a tiny bit of gas and a whole lot of air. This creates expansion at the cylinder. A 4-stroke engine is called a 4-stroke engine because 4 up and down motions are needed to complete a cycle. The first is called the intake stroke. The piston travels downward as the intake valve opens and a mixture of air from the atmosphere and a metered amount of gas from the electronic fuel injector enter the cylinder. On the second stroke, the piston travels upward, compressing the air and fuel, creating a highly combustible mixture. This is called the compression stroke. At the top of this stroke, the spark plug ignites the fuel mixture, which causes expansion and sends the piston downward. This third stroke is called the combustion or power stroke. The fourth and final one is called the exhaust stroke. At the start of the upward motion, the exhaust valve opens, letting the piston force the burnt air fuel mixture out of the opening as it travels up the cylinder. When the piston reaches the top, the exhaust valve closes, the intake valve opens, starting this whole process over. Now, let's talk volumetric efficiency. Volumetric efficiency compares the amount of air the engine brings in compared to the overall volume of the cylinder when the piston is at bottom dead center. This is usually expressed as a percentage. With a naturally aspirated engine, this can never be 100%. This is due to a number of factors. Primarily the volume and velocity of the available air at the intake valve when it opens. On American V-twin motorcycles, air intake is not optimized at the point of entry known as the throttle body, due to its being mounted perpendicular to oncoming air. The air that is available at this location is also at a higher temperature from the engine and is therefore less dense with oxygen. Once the available air does enter the throttle body, the intake runner is so short that it does not enable the flow to accelerate before reaching the intake valve. Therefore, no substantial amount of air mass is available when the valve opens. What if we could make more air available when the valve opens? The result would be the ability to fill the cylinder to greater capacity, creating a more efficient and powerful engine. Whiplash Industries has developed a way to make more air available as the intake valve opens. This product will increase volumetric efficiency up over 90%. Let me show you how this is accomplished. By relocating the throttle body beside the front cylinder head, facing the oncoming cooler air, and elongating the intake runner, allowing the air to travel unrestricted for a greater length. This causes the air to slightly pre-compress. This increases the amount of oxygen molecules entering the cylinder when the intake valve opens, allowing for a greater amount of the cylinder to fill with cooler air. The result to the equation more air plus more fuel equals more power. Whiplash Industries has made this product available primarily for Harley-Davidson Sportster EFI models from 2006 to 2014. We have also designed a conversion kit to apply this product to twin cam models equipped with the Delphi EFI system from 1999 to 2006. Click on the link and order today from whiplashindustries.com. Price $529 US. Assembled in the USA. Patent pending. We have established manufacturing processes for each individual part of the whip. Processes that primarily include gravity feed casting, laser cutting, and powder coating have been used to produce the whip. Whiplash Industries also encourages more power by exclusively using a K&N air filter and a custom chrome crankcase breather. Package contents include air inlet port, curved intake extension, K&N cone-shaped air cleaner, custom chrome crankcase breather, EFI wire harness extensions, all necessary brackets, and mounting hardware.